Welcome back to Drive Comfort 2 Auto Drive Pulse, your ultimate source for everything fast, futuristic, and on four wheels. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and buckle up because today, we're diving deep into a machine that's rewriting the rules of the track, the 2026 Hyundai Elantra N TCR. Hyundai's Motorsport division has been on a serious tear lately, and with the 2026 Elantra N TCR, they're not just continuing the legacy, they're leveling up. This isn't your average race-tuned sedan. It's a bold, aggressive, and meticulously engineered weapon designed specifically for global TCR competition. So what makes this new Elantra N TCR such a big deal? Let's get into it. From the outside, the 2026 Elantra N TCR screams performance. Aerodynamics have taken center stage here. The front end features a redesigned splitter and a massive open grille that helps manage airflow and keeps the turbocharged engine cool even under extreme racing conditions. A wide body stance, flared fenders, and that beast of a rear wing aren't just for show, they work in harmony to generate serious downforce at high speeds. But Hyundai didn't just focus on appearance. Under the hood, the 2026 model retains the proven 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine that's been the backbone of Hyundai's TCR efforts. However, power output has been fine-tuned to improve both reliability and performance. While official figures hover around 350 horsepower, it's the way that power is delivered, smooth, consistent, and responsive, that makes all the difference on the track. Mated to a 6-speed sequential gearbox with paddle shifters, gear changes are lightning fast, helping drivers keep the car in its power band at all times. The drivetrain remains front-wheel drive as per TCR regulations, but Hyundai's updated differential tuning and improved traction control systems give the Elantra N TCR a confident and planted feel, even in tight corners. Weight savings were another key focus for 2026. Through the use of high-strength steel, composite materials, and redesigned interior components, Hyundai has managed to drop several kilograms off the car's overall weight. That means faster acceleration, sharper braking, and less tire wear, all crucial factors in endurance racing. Step inside and you'll find a cockpit that's all business. The driver-focused layout includes a digital racing display, multifunction steering wheel, and FIA-approved safety systems like a full roll cage and racing seat. Every inch is built for functionality and driver performance, with zero distractions. It's raw, it's focused, and it's exactly what you'd expect from a purpose-built race car. One of the biggest changes for 2026 is the inclusion of updated suspension geometry and revised damper tuning. This gives the Elantra N TCR better cornering behavior, greater responsiveness, and improved feedback. Whether it's on a tight city circuit or a high-speed GP-style track, this car is engineered to adapt and perform. But perhaps the most exciting part of the 2026 Elantra N TCR is what it represents. Hyundai isn't just participating in motorsports, they're investing heavily in its future. The tech developed for the TCR program trickles down into consumer models, especially in the N division, meaning regular drivers benefit from everything learned on the track. It's performance with purpose, with a proven platform, upgraded components, and a design that balances aggression with aerodynamic efficiency. The 2026 Elantra N TCR is more than just a race car, it's a statement. A signal that Hyundai is here to win, and they're not holding back. That's it for today's breakdown. If you love cars that race, roar, and redefine expectations, make sure to like this video, drop your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of high-performance machines. Thanks for watching Auto Drive Pulse, where speed meets story. Catch you next time.